ħassra li jum itluq dal-post u jsalvaħ minn dik it-toqba li. And today we are exploring together Kalkara Gate. Għaddisa kemmu kbira. Amount of affrescos still on the walls, guys. Look. U bil-kuħ l-ma mbirek u aħna kif konna għamlu salim u aħna meta nazar. Let's check what's inside.
CNG Trek Ventures in collaboration with CNG Photography, a solo adventure shop.
New year brings along new adventures. Welcome back, guys, for another adventure. As you can see, we are in Kalkara here with Valletta behind me, our capital city, and today we are exploring together Kalkara Gate. So here we are, guys, finally in the Salvatore Gate, and in front of us, look, there's the chapel. This was built in the early 18th century by the Knights of Malta and was particularly used by those residing or living or whatever at the Fort San Salvator, further up, a few meters further up this gate. Located between Kalkara and Vittoriosa, Fort Salvatore was built by the Knights of St. John in 1724 and formed a key part of the Cottonera defences. It served as a prisoner of war camp in the First World War. In the 20th century, it housed a number of those interned by the British colonial government at the start of the Second World War for allegedly having Italian or German sympathies, including future Prime Minister Neri Kmitzi. Oh, danger inside, guys. Oh. Look, thanks for the hard hat. We're safe. Look, up there. That opening in the roof. Wow. How big. Whoa. You can hear the bells of the Kalkara church. Who knows what used to be here. I don't suggest any one of you guys visiting this place because look, the amount of danger. You can see in the middle from the research I did during the World War II, a bomb fell and left that big hole over there. And look, the big stones here, all fallen down. Among the things that one can surely notice here are the amount of affrescos still on the walls. Guys, look, look. Over there. And on the ceiling over there. Everywhere. All around. Against the wall. Even there. And here, look. Another site which should be restored ASAP in my opinion. Behind me you can see over here, guys, where the altar must have been. Maybe the bomb fell down and with the blast opened up that wall. I don't know. If anyone of you knows more history about this chapel, guys, San Salvatore chapel, kindly leave us comments under this vlog. Thank you very much. One can find these openings in the wall and these metal containers. Jaf daw il-containers tal-ħadid kienu jintlew bl-ilma, kienu birkuħ l-ilma l-ilma mbierek u aħna kif konna nagħmlu s-salib ma aħna meta konna żgħar qabli għalhekk daw it-toqof tal-blieħa tal-blieħ dal-post. Meravilja. Ħassra li hu mitluq kif inhu mitluq. Nissuġġerixxi l-Kunsill tal-Kalkara jew il-Gvern ċentrali biex jidħol għalih dal-post u jsalvah minn dik it-toqba li hemm fis-saqaf, speċjalment perikoluża immens, u jaf jiġġarraf minn ħela l-ieħor dal-post, ġifieri ma nafx qed nistennew jien, to be honest. Il-ħsara hija estensiva, kif tistgħu taraw. Il-bini maqtuħ minn hawn, il-ħnejja kollha, kemm din naħa u kemm min-naħa l-oħra. Problemi u periklu kbir. Tiġu xlaw. Mela, bħalma tafu l-aħwa, meta nżuru daw il-postijiet, qed nagħmlu kampanja żgħira, qed nippruvaw nagħmlu l-parti tagħna favur iż-żamma tal-indafa f'pajjiżna, u meta nżuru postijiet bħal dawn u avventuri nippruvaw nagħmlu l-parti tagħna billi nġorru paringwanti u borza tad-disposables u niġbru naqra materjal u noħorġuh il-barra magħna. Dan kollu parti mill-kampanja #3 naslu. Tlaqna nġbru. Mela, bħalma qed taraw il-parti tagħna lesta wkoll, guys. #3 naslu. Before going out, guys, we noticed another hole. Let's go through. Let's check what's inside. kind of shelter. Or I don't know, guys. Let's go out. CNG Trek Ventures, over and out. Nisperu li ġbitkom din il-location mhux daqstant safe, anzi perikoluża immens tersqu xlaw. Ibqgħu magħna l ħafna aktar avventuri ġodda din is-sena. Keep on subscribing. Until next time. Saħħa u slim.